What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you something very interesting, which is basically extracting audio files from an existing video here on your iPhone device. Let's say you've recorded a video playing a song, or you just have downloaded a specific video which is about a music or something, and you wish to convert that into audio so you can keep on listening to that specific audio every time you wish to play while your phone is locked or something like that. I'm gonna show you how to do exactly that in this video. And the coolest part is that, for example, let's say that I hop into Instagram. Let's say that I start, for example, watching for a video, and I suddenly like a video that appears here on my Instagram. Let's say it's a video playing a specific music, like an advertisement of a specific company or something like that, and I simply like that video. So what I can do is I can simply turn on screen record in order to record my screen with that song playing, and then I can convert that into a song here on my iPhone without a lot of trouble. Let's get straight into the tutorial. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, the very first thing we need to do in here is search for shortcuts, okay? So this is an inbuilt app that comes with iPhone itself, okay? You want to open up shortcuts real quick. But the thing is, if you're unable to find shortcuts in here by searching, you can simply go straight to the App Store and download shortcuts manually, okay? So you can search for shortcuts because you may be in a situation where you have accidentally uninstalled shortcuts, so you can quickly download it one more time. Now, please note that this, as I've said, is an app which comes inbuilt with your iPhone, made by Apple itself. Okay, so in my case, I do have, for example, this video right here where I'm dancing with my family and listening to a specific song. Okay, so let's say that I like the song and I want to convert this song into an audio file. Once you open shortcuts real quick, the next thing we're gonna be doing in here is simply tapping here on plus at the top right corner, okay? So essentially here, what we're gonna do is create a shortcut that will actually do all this of converting it to an audio. So we need to rename here at the top by tapping on this little arrow and tap on rename. You wanna name this shortcut, okay? You wanna attribute a name. Let's say audio extractor, okay? Let's call it audio extractor. There we go. Next up, I'm going to tap on tick in here and I'm good to go. I've already named whatever we're going to create in here in terms of steps, right? So now it's called audio extractor, and next up we're going to tap here on this little eye, and then we need to turn on show in share sheet. This is very important. It's a very important step. Next up, we'll simply tap in here on done. We're good to go. And then we do have in here this little square where we do have apps and 18 more. So we need to tap on apps and 18 more. Next up, we need to toggle off all the options in here. We need to turn all settings off. Okay, so you want to ensure everything is turned off in here, and it's important for you to follow the steps carefully so you do not miss anything throughout the process. Otherwise, a small mistake may not work for you. Once you're done toggling all off, you want to only set to on media, which is the second one. Okay, so simply turn on media real quick and then take it one more time. There we go. We're good to go, and we're moving into the next step in here. Now we need to tap on continue once and then ensure that ask for is selected. So you need to select ask for, which is also a very important step in here. We're done with the very first step. We're going to create the second step where we're going to convert that video into an audio format. So we're going to tap on search action here, and then we want to search for encode media. Okay, so encode media is the second step in here. Tap on encode media. So we have the first step, it's going to receive the video file. The second step, it's going to encode it into an audio format. So you want to tap here on this little arrow, and then you want to turn on audio only, which is very, very important. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is keep speed to normal. Format, you can play with format if you wish to play, if you want to change it to a different format, but I do recommend M4A as it doesn't occupy a lot of space within your iPhone device while saving the audio that has been extracted from that video. Now, once we're done doing that, we're moving into metadata down here. You can add a few more information if you wish to, data like the title, the album, the artist, the genre, the year. If you wish to tweak a bit with this, you can, but in my case, I won't do it. Now, next up, we're going to tap on search action action to add one more action after encoding, okay? So we're gonna search for quick look. Tap on quick look, and then we're gonna add one last step. So we receive the video, we convert it or encode it into audio, we have it in quick look showing to preview what we've edited, and then we wanna save it to our gallery, right? So we're gonna search for save file in here real quick. There we go, save file. And then we do have in here saving the encoded media. Now you need to turn on ask where to save. It's very, very, very important. Now once you're done setting all this, you can now go back. You're good to go. So once you go back, you'll be able to see here the shortcut that has been created named as audio extractor. There we go. The next thing we're gonna do is simply close shortcuts. We're gonna hop into our library, and then we wanna select the video that we wish to extract audio from. Here I am, I've got this video as I've just showed to you. I'm gonna tap on share real quick, and next up you're gonna scroll down. Here's the trick, and down here you'll be able to see the name of the shortcut that you've created. I do have a lot of shortcuts because I usually create a lot of shortcuts on my phone, but you're gonna tap on audio extractor right here below IN-shot for me. Tap on audio extractor. Next up, you want to select one more time that specific video. Okay, I'm gonna do it real quick. Let me just quickly scroll down. There we go. Here is the video, and then it's done. Now I do have my audio file generated, and I'm gonna play it real quick just to test it out. Here we go. It's an audio file that has been created, and here is the name of the audio file. If I tap on this little arrow down here, okay, I can quickly see the name, which is this one right here. Now you can now tap on share one more time, and now you can see the option to save to files. You can tap here on save to files, and now you can select the destination where you wish to save that specific file. Okay, let me go back. For example, I'm gonna go on my iPhone, test audio real quick, and I can just save it here somewhere. Okay, so once I save it, this file will be stored there, and in order to access it, it's very easy. I just need to open up files here on my iPhone and find that specific file. Okay, by opening files in here real quick, I'm gonna simply search for that file, which is basically here at the recently saved files. There we go. My song has been created, and I can also rename it on top of this by pressing and holding, and then you can tap on rename, and you can say something like extracted audio, right? Very interesting, and you're good to go. You can also share this on WhatsApp. You can press and hold, tap on share, send it to someone on WhatsApp, and you're good to go. So this is essentially how you can quickly extract an audio from a video file. I hope you found this video useful, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as it really, really helps me out. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.